What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best gaming desktops in 2022. I've made this list based on price, gaming performance, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for the best PC for casual gaming, the best of the best pre-built gaming PC, or anything in between, we'll have the perfect gaming desktop for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. If you're looking for an affordable gaming desktop that's easy to use and works perfectly for casual gaming, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is our choice as the best budget gaming desktop in 2022. Now, just because it's affordable doesn't mean more serious gamers should write this off either. This might still be the perfect gaming PC for you, and you may not get much benefit out of spending more money depending on your usage. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a solid and affordable gateway into PC gaming to hone your skills, and it comes with some impressive features and decent specs to reliably run most modern titles. You get a sturdy plastic build with a durable metal frame and a see-through panel to see the internal components, but the window isn't made from tempered glass. It has 4 interior lighting zones to illuminate the inside that can be configured via the Lenovo Vantage companion app, which also offers performance tuning settings and customer service information. The 2 fans inside the chassis support RGB lighting and keep it at an appropriate temperature without being too loud. It comes with solid connectivity options for your peripherals, including 4 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, 2 USB 2.0 inputs, a USB-C 3.2 port, and 3 3.5mm jacks for headphones or a mic. I also like that the inside is easily accessible, so you can upgrade the specs as you gain more experience. While it lacks some modern standards like ray tracing and DLSS, the base model performs well for the price and utilizes a 10th generation Intel Core i5 10400 processor with speeds up to 2.9 GHz to handle most basic computing tasks such as streaming video and multitasking. You also get a solid NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU with 6 GB of video memory, which can capably handle most esports or AAA titles at 1080p with a decent range of settings with respectable frame rates. Unfortunately, the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage are relatively low, but they're still functional. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is the best budget gaming desktop because of its surprising performance and respectable connectivity options. I would recommend this if you're an entry-level gamer getting your first gaming PC, a casual gamer who mostly just plays basic games like Sims or Minecraft that doesn't require high-end performance, or if you only want a desktop to run some less intensive games without breaking the bank. For anyone who wants a gaming desktop that offers impressive performance and specs that works great for casual gamers, but also has the power to start to get into high-end first-person shooter games at a reasonable price, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is my choice as the best value per dollar gaming desktop in 2022. Not everyone can afford a premium gaming desktop, and the Predator Orion 3000 is a mid-range option that provides several useful features, impressive specs, and performance that's comparable to some higher-end options for much less money. It has a compact build that offers excellent placement flexibility and a sleek design with a tempered glass panel on the side. It comes with decent connectivity options and provides a USB 3.2 port, a USB-C 3.2 port, and 2 3.5mm jacks on the front, although it has a built-in headset grip that might block some ports while in use. I like that the high-quality Frostblade fans support vibrant RGB lighting, so it'll fit with most setups and they keep the internal temperature low. Unfortunately, the included Norton antivirus software can be intrusive and interrupt playing sessions occasionally, but it offers protection to keep your system safe. Like the previously mentioned Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, it utilizes a 10th generation Intel Core i5 10400 6-core processor, except it offers 12 GB of DDR4 RAM to deliver faster speeds and better performance. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU can easily handle 1080p, 4K, and VR games and deliver outstanding frame rates with graphically intensive titles at higher settings. Unlike less expensive models, you get support for ray tracing to enhance the picture, although it can negatively impact performance and reduce frame rates. It also comes with 512 GB of storage, but the pre-installed operating system takes up valuable space, so you might need to invest in additional storage for larger libraries. I believe the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is the best gaming desktop per dollar because of its ability to deliver respectable frame rates. Even though it lacks the high-end specs of other models, it can easily run basic games like Minecraft or Sims and can also get into more graphic-intensive games like newly released first-person shooters on more basic settings. This is a great option if you want to comfortably run nearly all casual games at higher resolutions, or if you want a desktop that will perform well with modern games for years to come at an affordable price point. Some users might want a gaming desktop that excels with most games and more demanding workflows. The Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 is my choice as the best AMD gaming desktop in 2022. The Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 is Alienware's top-notch AMD CPU-based gaming desktop. While Intel processors generally perform better with gaming, it can still handle most modern games well and is ideal for more demanding workflows, content creators, or extensive multitasking. It has a sleek, curved, and futuristic design, but the unconventional look might be unappealing to some users. While the RGB lighting options are limited compared to other options on this list, it comes with a two-tone front panel, an illuminated ring, and the Alienware Command Center app to customize lighting colors or patterns. I like that the front panel offers comprehensive connectivity options to connect your preferred peripherals, which includes 3 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, a USB 3.2 Type-C port with PowerShare capabilities, and headphone and mic jacks, along with even more options on the rear. The base model uses 8GB of RAM and a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor with maximum boost clock speeds of 4.6 GHz that's powerful enough to handle modern games, photo or video editing, and most streaming requirements, or you can opt for better spec'd configurations for superior gaming performance. It utilizes an AMD Radeon RX 5300 GPU with 3 GB of GDDR6 memory that can run 4K games at a seamless 60 frames per second, which makes it perfect for gamers of all experience levels. It also provides quality ray tracing effects to enhance the image without sacrificing frame rates or playability. Unfortunately, it utilizes PCIe 3.0 instead of 4.0 solid-state drives, but the 1TB hard drive provides ample storage space. The Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 is the best AMD gaming desktop because of its versatile performance and customizable specs. While more advanced configurations are somewhat expensive, this is a great option if you want a desktop that's suitable for nearly any gamer, runs demanding titles smoothly, and can double as a computer for video streaming, professional work, or web browsing. For anyone who wants a gaming desktop that offers high-end performance, excellent specs, and a powerful processor capable of running nearly any game you want to play with great graphic performance, the Alienware Aurora R12 is my choice as the best Intel gaming desktop. Alienware has several high-end options to choose from, and the Alienware Aurora R12 uses NVIDIA's latest graphics cards, a powerful Intel processor, and excellent build quality to improve your gaming experience. While it might not be the best choice for demanding workloads, it's ideal for anyone who values in-game performance over versatility. The Aurora R12 has an eye-catching design like many other Alienware offerings and comprehensive RGB lighting, so it won't look out of place with your other peripherals. It has a hexagonal-shaped side vent that boosts intake efficiency and maximizes movement to remain at an optimal temperature. While the internal components are easy access, it doesn't have as much space for potential upgrades as conventional towers. I also like that it offers a range of conveniently placed ports, which includes 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a USB 3.2 Type-C port, and a headset plug-in on the front panel. The base model uses an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 11400F processor and 8 GB of RAM, or you can opt for a more powerful configuration. The Intel Core processor is optimal for gaming, light video streaming, and everyday multitasking, but it's less suitable than equivalent AMD processors for productivity-oriented work such as photo or video editing. It utilizes NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 series graphics cards, which delivers excellent frame rates, proper ray tracing to enhance the image, and optimal performance with top-end modern games or esports titles. The Alienware Aurora R12 is the best Intel gaming desktop because of its high-quality components, solid specs, and easy-to-access interior. While it lacks the total processing power of some options, it's ideal if you want to run modern AAA games and esports titles with minimal lag. I would recommend this for anyone who wants a dedicated gaming PC with impressive performance. If you want a gaming rig with unmatched performance, the ability to stream on Twitch rather comfortably, and play any game you want with the highest frame rates and graphics settings, the MSI MEG Aegis Ti5 is my pick as the best high-end gaming desktop. Professional streamers require more power than casual gamers, and the MSI MEG Aegis Ti5 is composed of high-quality components, specs that can easily push 4K frame rates, several advanced features, and enough power to satisfy professional gamers, reliably stream content, and edit videos. Like the Alienware Aurora, it has an unconventional design that might not appeal to everyone, but it has several prominent and vibrant RGB lighting zones to provide a gamer-friendly aesthetic. I think the unique front-facing gamer dial is a standout feature, and it allows you to quickly switch between system performance settings to optimize gameplay, display system status information, and more. You get comprehensive connectivity options, including a great selection of ports on the front panel, support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, and headphone hooks for easy storage. Unfortunately, it's made from plastic despite the expensive price, but it has a quiet liquid cooling radiator to prevent overheating. It utilizes a high-quality 10th generation Intel Core i9 10900K processor and 32 gigabytes of DDR4 to justify the price, which offers enough power for professional gamers, extensive multitasking, and processor-demanding tasks. The 10GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU delivers class-leading performance and can run just about any game imaginable with smooth frame rates, maxed-out graphics, and minimal stuttering, which makes it ideal for 4K gaming. As with the Corsair Vengeance, it offers a dual storage system with 1TB of speedy SSD storage and a 2TB hard drive for your library. The MSI MEG Aegis Ti5 is an overall amazing gaming desktop. It offers the best combination of performance and usability. Even though the price is high compared to most options on this list and might be unrealistic for most, it's the perfect powerhouse PC if you're a competitive gamer or streamer that needs class-leading responsiveness and a desktop that can handle nearly any computing task and any game you want to play. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.